Hello everyone! Diwali is getting closer. So let's make these floating candles and amplify the mood of this festival. Trust me, these beautiful water candles are so easy to make and they are budget friendly too. Let us start by cutting small circles out of a plastic bottle. And then make a hole in the center with hot needle. At this point, we need a wick. So let's make it ourselves. This way. Let's now insert the wick. It's time to put it all together. Take a glass and throw some marbles or jelly balls into it. Add water and then some edible oil. Don't worry, the oil does not mix with water. It forms a layer on top of it. That's what we need. Dip the plastic sheet with the wick in the oil and place it in the glass. Let's now get the matches and give it a try. We may also add a drop of watercolor or food color to the water, and that's just to make it colorful. These floating candles will last longer than the regular candles. Isn't it crazily easy? Well, I hope you all liked this video. I wish you all a happy and a safe Diwali. This is your Sue signing off.